Hello, welcome back to this coding IQ test. Now, I have presented a code that we are going to try. Let us try out this code and see if we are going to get the correct answer. So do yours and then try to submit on my WhatsApp. Okay, try to submit yours. Then come back and check if yours and mine will be the same. Okay, come back and check because I'm going to upload the correct answer here. Okay, but first let us try this before the correct answer. Now this is a block of code I want us to try. I want us to try out this and see if we can code it correctly. Okay, let us try out this.
Write a program that takes the first name, last name, and reg number from students, and if the reg number starts with B2, it should print welcome, include the full name, you are a 2023 student. If it starts with a 2 or B1, it should print welcome, include the name here, you are an old student. Else if it starts with any other, it should print reg number, include the reg number here, not found. If the reg number is below 10, it should print incomplete reg number. Please check your input. If the reg number doesn't start with an alphabet, it should print incorrect. Reg number must start with an alphabet.
All right, hope we understand that. This is a question we are going to try to code. Okay, now this is the one I've done. I'm not going to show. I just close my code, but this is the terminal where you can see the answer. Okay, after you must have tried yours, I'll upload the answer here. Now it says enter your full name. Let me say my full name is Francis. Maybe net solution. Be Francis net solution. If I should hit enter, it says enter your rage number to continue. Okay, remember it was the question was set to be if your rage number starts with B2, then it should print welcome your name, then you are a 2023 student. But if it starts with A2 or B1, it should welcome you with your name and say you are an old student. And before this works, your reg number must be 10 digits. If it is below 10 digits, it should print out another question, something like that. Okay, but now you can see here it says if reg number starts with B2, it should print welcome, including your name here. Okay, welcome so person, you are a 2023 student. If it starts with B2, now if it starts with A1 or B1, it should print welcome, including your name, welcome so person, you are an old student. Okay, else if it starts with any other thing, okay, it should print uh reg number, including that reg number not found. Now, as you can see here, it says if the reg number is below 10, means the reg number must be 10 digits, not below, not above. It must be 10 digits. Okay. Now, back to what we are coding, and the reg number must start with an alphabet. It must start with an alphabet. Okay. Now, back to what we are coding. Now, we want to get it correctly. We want our reg number to start with B2. If you start with B2, we are a 2023 student only if the reg number is up to 10 digits. Okay, let's make this up to 10 digits and see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, if I should hit enter, it says welcome Francis, next solution, you are a 2023 student. Okay, once again, as you can see here, my name Francis next solution was changed to uppercase. Okay, it was changed to uppercase as my input was in small case, in a small letter, but it was written here in a capital letter. So make yours to be like this. Okay, welcome Francis next solution, you are a 2023 student because of the presence of this B2. Okay, now it still prompts me to enter your full name again. Okay, do yours to keep on prompting. Okay, with the help of loop, let it keep on looping and ask you to enter. Okay, now it's keep on prompting me to enter my full name without me running the program again. Now it says I should enter my full name. Let me just copy this name again and paste as my full name and hit enter. It says enter reg number. This time around I'm entering the same B2, but let us make the range number not to be up to 10. Let's see what will be. Maybe 4. It says incomplete. Please check your input. Okay, incomplete. Please check your input. Okay, that is what it shows here. Incomplete. Please check your input because our range number was not complete. Now it still prompts me to enter my full name. If I should enter my name again and hit enter, it says enter your range number to continue. This time around, let's make the range number to be more than 10. Okay, now if I should hit enter, it says range number must not be more than 10. Okay, it must not be no more than 10. This is exactly what I want you to do. Now we have checked it when it was 10, and when it was 10 and it's printed this for us. Welcome Francis, next solution, you are a 2022 student. Then next time we made the range number to be 4 less than 10 and it's printed this incomplete. Please check your input. Next time we make the range number to be more than 10, and when it was more than 10 it's printed this range number must not be more than 10. Okay, now this time around, let us try it again while we enter old student, which is B1 or A2. Okay, now let's try B1. Okay, and make it to be about 10 or more than 10. Let's try more than 10. If I should hit enter, it says your, oh sorry, this is supposed to be my name. It says enter my full name and I enter this. But it doesn't matter. Let's take this to be my name. Okay, if that is my name, now it says enter your range number. Let me enter my range number B1 and let me make this to be more than 10. More than 10. Okay, if I should hit enter, it says range number must not be more than 10. Okay, B1 again, let's make this to be below 10. If I should hit enter, it says oh sorry, it says I should enter my name and I also enter range number again. But it doesn't matter, let's take that to be my name. Now it says enter your range number to continue. Then B1, let us make it to be maybe, okay, let's make it to be 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, if I should hit enter, it says welcome B123. Okay, B123, you are an old student. It says welcome B123. It uses this as my name because that was my input here as my name. So it uses as my name, it doesn't matter. Okay, so welcome my name. You are an old student. Okay, now if I should make this to be maybe below 10, let's see what will be the answer. Say I should enter my full name. I paste my name here and hit enter. Now enter your range number. Let's say B122. Okay, it is below 10. Let's run it. It says incomplete. Please check your input. Okay, now it is incomplete and it asked me to check my input. You have checked it when it is complete and it printed the right answer. When it is complete, the same answer. When it is above 10, the right answer. Okay, now what if the range number uh, 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 started with just a number without an alphabet? As you can see here, it says if the range number doesn't start with an alphabet, it should print incorrect range number. Incorrect range number must start with an alphabet. So range number must start with an alphabet. What if it didn't start with an alphabet? Let me say maybe 444, something like that. Okay, if I should hit enter, oh sorry, I should enter my name. I enter the numbers of my name. Okay, let's assume it's my name. Now I enter a range number that doesn't start with an alphabet. If I should hit enter now, it says invalid range ID. Okay, invalid range ID. Range number must start with an alphabet. Okay, you can see it there. Let me try it again and enter my name. I should enter my name and see, I should enter range number. I enter this and hit enter. It says invalid range ID. Range number must start with an alphabet. Okay, so try yours. Try to code this and then code yours and forward it on our WhatsApp coding IQ. Okay, right here on our WhatsApp, the WhatsApp coding IQ test. Okay, yeah, because this was uploaded here on YouTube. If you are not with us there on WhatsApp, you can, the WhatsApp link will be dropped on this description. Okay, just click on the description there and it will direct you to our WhatsApp group. Then you can drop your own code there. Okay, let's check if you get it correctly. After some time, I will upload the right answer. Okay, just maybe 1 day or 2 day interval, I will upload the right answer of this. Okay, so stay tuned. If you didn't get it correctly, always check the description. Maybe when you are watching this, maybe I have already dropped the right answer for this. Okay, because for now I hid the code. As you can see here, I hid the code. For now I hid the code. So maybe by the time you're watching this, I might have dropped the solution. You can click on the description to check the solution. Okay, but try to do this before doing the solution. Okay, thank you guys. I wish you great. Try to code yours. I wish you great. Meet you right there on the coding IQ test.